Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Heartful Cooking. In this episode, we will be preparing zucchini gratin. A gratin is always baked or broiled in a shallow dish. The topping usually consists of cheese or breadcrumbs, and it should get crispy under the broiler. Did you know that gratin is actually derived from the French verb gratiner, which means to broil? Let's get prepping. I'm a big fan of getting all my ingredients measured, chopped, and set aside ready for me to use. As always, you can find the ingredients list in the description box below. Firstly, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the seasoning, you will need salt, freshly crushed black pepper, it's always more flavorful, sweet paprika flakes, and freshly grated nutmeg. Grating your own nutmeg is much more fragrant and flavorful as opposed to just using the powdered variety. If you only have the powdered variety, that is fine too. Now chop up your zucchini. Did you know that zucchini is actually botanically considered a fruit? Now chop 2 medium to medium-sized onions. Set aside the breadcrumbs, cheese, flour, and hot milk. And finally, slice 2 plum tomatoes and dry roast it in the oven for garnishing. This step is optional. Let's get cooking now. In a medium-large pan, melt your unsalted butter and add the onions. Lightly saute the onions, and once they are fragrant, add 2 small to medium-sized cloves of garlic. Stir and lightly cook the garlic. Add your sliced zucchini and stir to cook them with the butter, onions, and garlic. Then add the seasonings. Once everything is evenly incorporated, cover and cook for about 5 minutes or until the zucchini is slightly softened. Add the flour. Stir to coat the zucchini and cook off that raw fragrance of the flour. And then finally add the hot milk. Keeping the temperature consistent saves time in cooking and it avoids too much water being released by the zucchini. Bring the milk to boil, stir and check for when your sauce is thickened. Once it has, don't cook more than 3 minutes and then set aside. By cooking more than 3 minutes, you will overcook the zucchini. Let's put the breadcrumb topping together. Combine the breadcrumbs and butter until it looks like wet sand and then add the cheese. Now it's time to assemble. Put the zucchini mixture into a casserole dish and evenly cover the top with the breadcrumb mixture. Place the roasted tomatoes on the top. The reason why I roasted the tomatoes is to remove the excess moisture, and it also intensifies the sweet and slightly tangy flavor of the tomato. Cover with foil and place it into the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top has turned a nice golden brown. Remove the foil after about 10 minutes into the cooking time. And here you have it, zucchini gratin, crunchy on the top, but with a creamy sauce on the inside. It's sure to be a family favorite, so give it a go and do share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!